In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Xcode 2026 full guide. If building polished Swift and Swift UI apps leaves you bouncing between browser tabs and error logs, this workflow will change how you ship. We'll integrate advanced code reasoning models directly into Xcode so you can generate code inline, refactor safely, and crush build errors without breaking your flow. First, install a dedicated Xcode AI extension hub so you don't have to copy and paste between apps. Minimize Xcode, head to GitHub and download a coordinator such as Xcode LLM or Copilot for Xcode. Grab the latest release, drag the app into your applications folder, and open it once so macOS registers the extension. Keep it running in the background for the smoothest experience. If you're on managed hardware, confirm you have permission to run developer extensions before proceeding. Next, grant the system permissions that let the hub communicate with Xcode. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Extensions, and choose Source Editor Extensions. Enable the extension you just installed, still in Privacy and Security, open Accessibility, and toggle the hub on. This allows the bridge to read your cursor context and insert code where you're working. If macOS prompts you to approve the app, accept and then relaunch Xcode in the hub to finalize the handshake. With permissions in place, securely connect to your model provider. Open the hub's companion app and find the Service Settings panel. Choose the model you want, such as GPT-4o or the newest reasoning option. Add your credentials securely in the API field, save and close. Keep secrets out of source control, avoid hardcoding tokens, and prefer the hub's encrypted storage or your system keychain. Now put it to work inside Xcode. Open as Swift file, select code you want to improve, or place your cursor on an empty line. From the editor menu, open the extensions prompt or chat window. Use a clear request like, act as a senior Apple engineer. Refactor this Swift UI view to improve state management. Extract complex parts into a subview and add concise documentation. Execute, then review the proposed changes. Treat results like any pull request. Scan diffs, run tests, and commit when satisfied. Finally, streamline debugging with a diagnostic shortcut. In the hub's shortcut mapping panel, create a command named Fix This Build Error. Provide a focused instruction that analyzes the highlighted code plus the compiler message, explains the root cause briefly, and returns a clean patch. Bind it to a quick key combo so you can trigger it the moment a red error appears. Handing routine refactors, layout tweaks, and error triage to an embedded assistant keeps you in flow and accelerates shipping. Thanks for watching.